friends, it is Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company. I am glad you are here because it is that time of the day that I get to turn my camera on and we get to hang out together. Hopefully you guys are getting lots of ideas. Hit my junk store on a good day. One of the things I got was this handy dandy. It's called a charger and it says it's not for food, so I guess it's one of those plates that you put under another plate to look all fancy and to create a beautiful table place setting. 99 cents, hello. Anybody else, like when you see tags for 99 cents, like orange tags like that, it's like I always say, a beacon in the night that's like, Sonia, you must come here, take me home. You guys know that when you go out, you find these beautiful decorative plates, right? And you can put them, like for example, on a table when you come in through your entryway, and they sit like this on a little plate holder, but they're decorative. You don't eat off of them, they just look beautiful. That's plastic. That probably came from like Walmart or something like that. And I'm gonna turn it into a beautiful little piece of decor that somebody is going to want to sit on their table, on their end table, on their windowsill, on top of their mantle. Oh, the possibilities are endless. So we can put this in any color we want. I think I'm gonna grab my antique lace because I've got a vision for it. I'm choosing to grab my chalky style paint because we know it sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. And even though this is made of plastic, don't matter. Grab a brush and go bananas. It's a really scratched up plate, plastic, but it's gonna be beautiful when we're done. And I wanna allow some of that gold, that brassy color to show through. So what I'm gonna do with the shabby chip brush is when I put my paint on top of it, it's going to allow a little bit of that background, that gold, to be shown through the paint. Like little peekaboos. And who doesn't like a little peekaboo? You're gonna notice that when I paint this, I'm actually going to paint in a circle when I go around. So I'm gonna fill out the center, and I'm gonna encourage you guys, when you paint edges that are round, instead of going completely across, you are gonna wanna go around with it. Same works for like spindles, candles, mason jars, all those things. So guys, here is just one quick coat of the antique lace, and I love it. Do you see what I'm saying? I didn't want full coverage. If I did, I would just go ahead and let that dry and put another coat onto it, or just use a full coverage brush. All the supplies that I use here in my vlogs, you'll find over at junkmonkeypaint.com. All right, who's feeling like some shabby love today? It's time to do some distressing. So I am gonna put a stencil in the middle right here. I don't want my focal point to be too distressed. So I'm just gonna focus, before I even put it on, I'm gonna focus on distressing right now. I love how this looks right here. Now it feels like it's got some character because we put that chalky style paint on there, it dried to a flat mat. Now all of a sudden, versus it feeling like cheap plastic, it really feels like a whole lot heavier, meatier, and like I said, it's got some character. This is the fun part. This is where I say you're adding some personality. I think I'm gonna do this one. Chevy chip brush. Black velvet paint, again our chalky style. Let's do what we affectionately call here, we've termed it here at the Junk Monkey, the eyeliner effect, and this is where we give a little edging, beautiful edging to our pieces. It just doesn't look one-dimensional. All of a sudden now it's come to life. You can see this really sunk in here. Banana peel polyacrylics, strong protection for high traffic areas, or in this case, because it's not made of wood, it's made of plastic. It's gonna give a nice overcoat to it and stick on to that hard plastic. Easy peasy, we just let this dry. It's gonna give a really nice sheen to it, keep it looking awesome, and she's ready to be on display. Yeah, baby, 99-cent throwaway. These are really, really cheap flips that you can do if you're decorating your home on a budget. Girl, put that on a plate holder and va-va-va-voom. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yes, I am here every single day. And last but not least, if this was you, would you have done the bird? Would you have done the skull? Would you have done the unicorn, the compass, or the stacked animals. And I'm gonna say it loud and say it proud that I know that that is a chicken. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.